WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge, like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. When they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not going to get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global. Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. error gone. Error gone. Okay. Let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading.
What is going on
errors.
this fine Friday night?
Fixing errors to make new errors.
Hello.
Sisyphus?
Are you ready for Friday? I'm ready for Friday.
Big ass rock up a hill.
Let's rock
get it there.
it.
Go. Well, looky there.
Pop, pop.
I can walk again.
Pop, 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 pop,
Left and right, at least.
pop, 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 pop,
So
pop,
something's up.
pop, pop, pop. Daloo. All right. You did it. Chapter 1. You on to chapter 2? Nice. Keep it up, man. How long are your chapters? They say an average chapter, which, you know, can be one page if you really want. It's up to you, but it's all about the flow. Average chapter is about 4,000 to 6,000 words. I usually try to do like about 10 pages around there. 2,300 characters. Yeah, well, it's good. Short chapters are good. I like it. Cheers to writing. Ooh. They all kind of connect together in different ways. Nice, man. That's cool. I'm excited for you. Keep it up. That's really cool. Try to take a quickie nap before stream. It just felt right. So, it's good. I didn't drink my normal night coffee because I didn't feel like making coffee. I got a little lazy tonight. But, yeah, it's alright. Sometimes the natural coffee, you know, sleep is a good one. Oh man, but I'm gonna be all yawny the whole time? How annoying for you guys. So I think we were bug fixing, right? That's where I got to. What did I figure out? Let's check the code. I always check the code. Hey, let's do a quick code push, huh? More code changes. Now we can keep track of what's going on. Larshi blows. I really like the GitHub app, desktop app. That's what I use for my version control. I used to use SourceTree. I used SourceTrees for years. Capital I's. Yeah, that's alright. Those are things you can fix easily. After the fact. So there was this writing practice that I was learning just to make it easier for me to read. For every 2 lines I do, I add a new line. Interesting. Yeah, I was doing this writing practice where you like, what is it? For 5 minutes or something like that, you write as fast as you can. Like, don't care about, you know, grammar, don't care about spelling. You just write and see how many words you can finish. And you do that over and over. There's like a whole technique behind it. And then eventually you see how much you can write in an hour, and it's supposed to help you write faster and write more in a given time, like get up to like 1,200 words per hour or something like that. I forget what it is. But maybe it was per minute. I don't know. My mind's a little screwed up, but yeah, it was really interesting, and I did it for a little while, but then I found myself not really liking what I was writing, because there's a whole like build up to it. You're supposed to write down your thoughts of what you're going to write first, and you write that really fast for 20 seconds or something like that. You just write down what you're going to write in this next spiel of writing. So you get kind of a framework of what you're going to write, and then you rewrite that, do it again, and then once you like what you're going to write, then you go and you like really focus and write it for a certain amount of time. And yeah, I don't know, there was a whole psychology behind it, but the 2 lines thing's interesting. The only thing is, what I've learned is, when I was writing the first book, I didn't know proper like paragraph structure and like when to do quotes and stuff. So I was putting dialogue in one paragraph, and if somebody else was talking in the same thought, like it was like a conversation, I would put their dialogue also in the paragraph. And I didn't realize you're supposed to do a new line every time somebody new was talking. I mean, even though I read a bunch of books, I didn't pay attention and figure that one out myself. So yeah, my first editor was very upset with the first draft. He had to do a lot of like cleanup just to read it. But yeah, you learn. So now writing is, I kind of know the rules a little better, so it's a lot easier for me to like finish a draft and just like pass it off to an editor, because now I know kind of how you're supposed to write, like the average, and not like what you're supposed to write, but like how, because formatting matters, because you want it to be easy to read, for other people. So and there's just kind of like standards in the book world, so you want to kind of keep to that. But I mean, you can change your line spacing and stuff, so it's easier for you to read. But the rule of thumb is every paragraph is a new thought, every time somebody talks is a new line, and every chapter is, it's usually like, if you're gonna switch areas in your story, then that's like a new scene. And it's usually pretty good to finish a chapter in a scene and then start a new chapter in a new scene. But then you can get into like the psychology of chapters, where it's like always leave a chapter on a cliffhanger every time, so that somebody that's reading will be compelled to go to the next chapter. So like always we're like, oh, somebody's at the door, and then go to the next chapter. Be like, shit, I want to know who's at the door. So then they go and they start it, and then once they start it, they got to finish it. I went through the same thing when I was reading. I sometimes you can't put the damn chapters, the books down, because the chapters kept just making me want to see what happens next. Testament of a good story, really, I guess. But yeah, all the little things you learn from writing, just keep it up, man. I'm excited. I want to read it, whatever it is, in whatever state it is. I will read it. Oh, that's right. I was trying to fix the issue by adding the prevent defaults again. And then I was going to try to fix the typing thing separately. Let's see if that actually fixes it. Because I am not sure about that. Doom, 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 doom. So, I don't know if you're familiar with it. It's an extremely popular anime, but I just started watching JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. I am Scott v. Adrian. Aniela. Nice to meet you. I am a website programmer who is building a video game in a website. This is my video game. Yeah. Used to work for Disney, Warner Brothers, Universal. And I talk about programming in the industry and help people get jobs. So, yeah, any advice I can give. Jojo, my friend, would already love you. Dude, I'm sorry. I really didn't. I had no idea what JoJo's Bizarre Adventure was about before. I completely did not even know what I was expecting when I started watching it, but I was not expecting vampires. I had no idea. I don't know. I mean, I just started it, so I'm pretty early on, but it's good. It's outrageous. I think the characters are hilarious. I really think it's weird how it's already changed, like, generations and stuff. Like, that was weird to me. Like, the main character just dying and then going to the next main character. I assume that keeps happening, but no spoilers. Yeah, but it's so far so good. I'm having fun watching it. Just something to do while I'm eating. Actually, I think I'm gonna work on chapter 1 more, and then once I have a good amount of words, I will move on to chapter 2, and then once I also have a good amount of words in chapter 1, I'll send it over to you. Hell yeah. Please do, my friend. I will definitely check it out and give you some feedback. Yeah. And honestly, for first draft, I wouldn't... What the hell? I wouldn't worry a lot about like going back and editing it. Obviously adding more to it's fine. But yeah, see, I had a problem with my first book and why it took 4 years is that I thought that I was going to edit it myself. So I went over it 20, 30 times. Just kept going over it, writing more, adding more, changing the story, blah, 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 blah. And when I thought that it was, like, pretty good, like, ready for proofreading, which proofreading is just kind of making sure that the grammar is fine and whatever, and that you're not spelling things wrong, then I went to an editor, and I was way wrong. Like, he tore into my story. He didn't like my main character. He thought it was sexist. He thought it was like just like all around. Like, he liked a lot of the dialogue and he liked the theme of it, but pretty much every character except for one and their dynamics he didn't like, and really got me thinking like, oh crap, I just don't know how to write proper. I was writing like an anime basically, you know, and it was not conveying what I wanted to properly. So yeah, that being said, I never took any writing classes, you know. I didn't do great in English classes. I mean, whatever, I passed what I needed to, but I never wanted to be a writer at all. So don't worry about not being good at writing. There are professionals for that. You know what I mean? I mean, you have to be able to tell a story. That's it. You have to be able to just have an interesting story. That's your job as a writer. Have an interesting story to tell, and then tell that. All the whole, like, readability factor and, like, what makes the story a novel, like, that's stuff that you can learn how to do over time. And if if you have the right people helping, like editors and stuff like that, that's what they do. Everyone's had an editor. Every famous author has had an editor, and multiple editors, because there's like 5 levels of editing. You know, there's like developmental, there's line editing, there's proofreading. You know, there's all these different types of editing processes to get it to a finished public status. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about not being a good writer. You have plenty of time for that. Let's just actually switch to him and cheat. Oops. Yeah, alright. Good. Okay, let's see if I fixed the dragging thing. Or if it's still broken. It's still broken. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, well, then my hypothesis was wrong. Also, my keyboard came today, so I don't have to use a stupid one. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That's good. Oh, it's the same one you had before? Nice. Okay, no bueno. That wasn't the problem. I mean, I guess that's good. That means that I don't have to worry about that. For the typing thing. Yeah, it's good if to keep getting the same stuff you're used to, especially when it comes to typing, you know. That's very important for you. Darn. Okay, I gotta figure out what that freaking problem is then. So, man, when did that break then? Okay, well, we have to go into the drag dust stuff. I wonder if it has to do with the removable class or something. I don't know. Is it still doing that stupid class name? It is. It's still doing that class name thing. Interesting. Yeah, look. Still doing that. Let me double check. Yeah, it looks like I put it back. Okay. Just making sure it was compiled. What do you want to look like when I send it over? The same way it will be every 2 lines I create an empty do line or something else. Whatever. Just write it naturally, I guess. Just make sure all your dialogue is on different lines so I can tell it's, you know, somebody else talking. That might be the only thing that really matters. Okay. That didn't work. We still don't know why this is happening. So I'm going to have to brute force this and go into here. Let's go to the drag dust. And we need to figure out why the nut. Okay, so this is where the whole drag destination thing happens. The only dialogue I have is just me thinking to myself, which is around asterisks. Yeah, so there are different ways to do thinking, but it's usually italics. That's how a lot of books do it. That's how I do it. So like every time you're thinking, it's like dialogue. It's inner dialogue. But are you writing first person, third person, like God mode, or are you writing like from a main character's perspective? Mine's first person narrative, so it's always like somebody in the world is talking, or you know, writing the story. But third person is pretty common too, you know, like Harry Potter and stuff. That's all third person, God mode, or it's like a third person talking about what's happening. And then they said this, like, you know, that kind of thing. Instead of it saying, I said. Okay. So I'm going to remove this. Because now I'm starting to think the whole remove isn't the issue. I'm starting to think it's this. Because clean class is getting sent for the drag for here. But it doesn't appear to be cleaning the class name. Why? Yeah, because engage shouldn't be there. Oh, it's not there. Drag me, rocket. Oh, yeah, drag me and currently dragging should not be there. Actually, neither of those should be there, but... yeah, see, that one just shouldn't be getting sent at all. That's the problem. Oh, no, I got rid of these. For a reason. A snippet of it. I got better and better at playing. I was surprised on how good I was getting. What should that be? I can't tell. Well, if it depends what your story is, because if you're just kind of writing like a is it a story, or is it just kind of like a biography, like talking about yourself? Like, are you explaining something that's happened, like a nonfiction? I mean, or like a fiction, or is it what? Like, what kind of story are you trying to tell? Because that doesn't, I mean, unless you're saying something to somebody, that shouldn't be in quotes or anything. That's just you talking about something. But if you're saying, I got better and better at playing, then you're talking as if you're the character talking about themselves. You know? Like, for example, I'll bring up the newest book 3 sneak peek. So I don't have a lot written for this one yet. I only got to the first chapter, and then I had to start working on the audiobook. But like, you see, I'm talking as Graham, the main character in this. So there's no quotes or anything, but like I'm saying, with a quick brow, I handed Siona one of the red speaker discs I created to communicate with the others. And I'm talking from a first person narrative. Like, this is Graham talking in the story. But when somebody actually says something in the story, then you'd go, you know, you actually say something and you talk about them saying it, go to a new line when somebody else is talking, you know, kind of explain what's going on, and then it's back in the Graham's head again, right? He's talking from the story's first person, but if he's talking in his own head, that's when, you know, I give it italics, which I don't think I have any thought process in here yet. Oh yeah, here we go. So like, this is him talking in his own head. Like a thought. But yeah, you'll see, you know, there's lots of spaces, depending on, especially if there's a lot of dialogue, there's a lot of spaces. So, but yeah, based off of your snippet, if you're saying I got better and better at playing, then that's first person narrative. Unless it's somebody talking out loud, you're speaking as if you're the person there. Which is good. It's hard. First person narrative is not easy. Sometimes I kind of wish that I got into God mode, because then I could talk about something that's happening way over there that nobody can see, which is really, it's like a different, it's interesting to start talking about like what somebody else is doing in another country, you know, that you're not around. Because when you do first person narrative, you got to stick with it. Like, I am here. I am this person in the book. So if I'm going to write what's happening, I can only write what he sees and hears. So like when he transports somewhere else and somebody's talking, I can't have them finish their thought because he's gone. You know what I mean? And that screwed me up a lot during the editing process. He was writing about how you started programming, the first thing you did around programming, the thing I moved on to after. Me exploring other options after that. So it's kind of like a biography. So yeah, I mean, there is no dialogue then, right? You're just kind of talking about what happened. So it's kind of like a nonfiction biography about yourself. Your memoir. So that's cool. Definitely keep that up. Very interesting. Drag dust. Save mission. Okay. So save mission's getting hit. But then it's being removed. So that's why it's getting those two things. I don't care about those two things right now. What I care about is why the hell it's removing before it finishes this. So I need to actually figure that one out. Because it should be waiting until the mission is done. But it doesn't appear to be doing that. Right? This one. Yeah, like this isn't working. Because drag dust exists. Like it's just going away when I start dragging it and completes. Like this is getting hit too early. You got 1,500 words, and that's all you're doing for chapter 1, and most likely most of the chapters. Cool, man. Yeah, keep them short. Yeah, I don't really know the rules on, or like the guidelines on biographies, you know, nonfiction stuff. I only know, you know, epic fantasies and sci-fi, which are, it's different, you know? You're building a world. It takes a lot more. Like the books have to be bigger. I think, you know, biographies and stuff, they can either be giant or they can be shorter. Especially if you have a shorter life, you know? Not as much to talk about. But again, don't worry about that crap. Just keep writing. You can always reformat, add more chapters, add less chapters. Don't even think about that. The only reason I think about that now is because it's cheaper to get, you know, if it requires less editing, it's cheaper for me to get the book out. So I try to get it right a lot closer to the final product, you know, the first time around. But yeah, it's not a big deal. So what the hell is happening? This is getting hit. Wait, offset and offset. Offset and offset. Yeah, it's like not right. How are these becoming true? That's why I think this isn't even getting hit. Let's actually see if that's true. Drag complete. I bet you this isn't even getting hit. Let's check what the nut is going on. Yeah, because obviously the dragging stuff is working fine. Oops. That was weird. What's going on, computer? I can hear you freaking out on me. I'd prefer that you don't. Well, that seems fine. Alright. Do I have a lot of... No. Alright, let's go. Definitely heating up though. Boom, ba-doom, boom, boom, boom. It's very quiet this Friday. Yeah, I was kind of just like thumbing around on Twitch, and there's a lot of people streaming right now on Twitch. So I don't think we're going to be getting a lot of new people coming on. Because everybody's on Twitch today. I might have to make this a shorter one so I don't ruin my average. Do want to get this done though. We must finish this bug. Now that we finished our freaking mini game, we can move forward and get a weapon. Tired of having fists only. Oh yeah, this is not cool. Let's see what's going on. Activity monitor. What is taking up all my CPU? OBS. What the hell's going on? Yeah, OBS. Nothing new there. The monitor. Can't do anything about that. Yeah, there's not much we can do here. All this stuff is pretty normal. I don't have anything open. Alright, well. Guess that's it. Nothing we can do, man. I wonder if the update on Chrome will actually fix the issue. We'll find out. Update complete. Now you're running super fast. Maybe. Alright. Oh, hold on. Apparently I didn't walk through this. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now, will our assumptions be confirmed? I don't know. Maybe. I hope so. Because if we don't see drag complete, that's what we should see when I drag that rocket. But my guess is that is not getting hit, and in fact, it's just being removed because you're interacting with the rocket. Which I don't know why that would happen. I didn't change anything regarding collectibles or breakables. Ooh, ha, 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 ha. All right, let's find out. When I grab you, nope, I was correct. So it's going away solely because you touch it. Okay, cool. Well, at least we know we don't have to mess with this. This is not the issue. So the issue is when I touch breakable stuff. What did I do here? I don't know what I did. Stop. Remove. Delete. Okay. Breakable. Yeah, so let's go to this. And this is obviously causing the issue. I wonder why, though. It's definitely a problem. Because this is overlapping with the item, yes. And if it has a Timer tricky. No, it's not the timer one. So it's none of that. Cool. So it's this. This is what's happening. I don't think it's the minigame stuff. Well, let's see. So it's not breakable. We know that. We know it's not a sign. This is true. So whatever. Okay, so these two things are not true already, so we know it's not this. So it's got to be interact with the item. So what's happening with that? What did I change here? So we know it's not a sign. We don't have to deal with that. We know it's not a minigame. So it's not that. So what the fuck? Why is it going away then? Why is this getting hit? Okay. We know it. No, it's not this. Because the removal's coming because it's a hazard. So that's not the reason why it's being removed. Yeah, it's being removed because of the hazard logic. Because I made it a hazard. Which is here. Well, here's collectible. It's not a collectible. No. It's draggable. So where is the hazard logic? I feel like I've already gone over this a million times. Okay. Dupe. No, that's vibrate. Okay. Not about that. Here's the drag dust, drag dust, drag dust. Okay, that's fine. That's just adding no point class to a drag destination if it's not there. Okay. Where's the hazard logic is in the save mission. So the save mission is getting triggered. That's the problem. Why is save mission getting, or where is save mission getting triggered? It has to be getting triggered somehow. Cutscene? No, it's not a cutscene. It has to be getting triggered. It doesn't tell you where it's getting triggered, right? Let's see. It'd be awesome. Oh wait, it might tell me here. 400. New character select. Is this the newest? Persist item removal. That's because of the hazard remove, so that's fine. Wait. Back here. So that's good. Okay, so that's persist item removal. Yeah, what's causing this one though? Select new character. No. Move. No. Yes. Save mission. Damn it. Okay, so save mission is getting hit from where? Here. I was right. So it is this that is causing it. Data mission. Can character interact? How the hell? Oh wait, what is this? This is here. This is at the bottom. Okay. So that means that it has a mission. It exists. It is not empty. He's strong. It doesn't have a trigger. It's not trigger. Okay. So that is a race condition that we need to fix. Which is happening literally right here. This is getting triggered. Why? So this should not be getting... Do I want this to get triggered? No, no, no. I want save mission to get triggered on the drag dest. I don't want any of these save missions to get triggered. So let's see here. If this... Trigger tricky. Ooh, almost 1,000 words. Hell yeah, man. Alright, what is going on here? So definitely the data mission's not on character interaction. Yeah, because it's drag. Trying to write faster. Before you're pretty slow, and now you can think of things to write and just write it. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Practice makes perfect. That's sick. Keep it up. You'll only get better from here. Has trigger triggy. So this is the part where I'm confused. I don't think it does have a trigger or a triggy. The rocket. I think the rocket's gone though. Yeah. It is. Dak dude or game duel, someone comes at some point. I know, right? I'm pretty lonely over here. It's looking like I might have to cut stream off early or I'm gonna screw up my average. But I always appreciate you being around, Indy. Yeah, cool, man. Appreciate it. Save mission. Okay, so what is this here? What is this for? I should have wrote a fucking... Okay, so this is for the timer logic. So if the timer exists and whatever, all these are good, then cool. Finish the timer. You always look forward to your streams literally all day, so make sure to have a time to at least watch or chat somewhat. Hell yeah, man. I appreciate that. Stream's fun. You guys are a good bunch of people, and I appreciate the company. And working on this thing. This is a fun little project. I'm always thinking about it, you know, looking forward to what I'm gonna finish. It's rough, but fun. So the other part is this removes the timer. But I also added a new else if. Which, why did I do that? I did this for a reason. Oh, it's if they're strong. Why did I add this? For strong people. Because this has nothing to do with... Oh, I think I added this for like when he's breaking something that's strong. Right. I think that's why. Because if it has a mission, he's strong. Tricky. And has trigger. No, because this has to do with the triggy and trigger. How is this getting hit? Triggy and trigger. Let's restart and check what the rocket has in the HTML. Because I didn't think it had triggy and trigger. I'm not 100% sure why that exists. You don't know how boring it is to just sit there and chat with 0 viewers. I've done that plenty of times. Oh, sweet. Bringing the cousin in on it. Yeah, nah, I've done that plenty of times too. First couple months, or first month and a half or something, it was just me talking to myself. Which, you know, I'm a pretty fun guy to talk to, so I don't mind talking to myself. Whatever. Pop. Okay, let's look. So the rocket should be here. Rocket. Let's move the rocket. Disarm rocket. Rocket, here we go. Does it have Triggy and Trigger? See, it's draggable, it's removable, but no. See, it doesn't have a Triggy or a Trigger. So why would that get triggered? That doesn't make any sense. Hell yeah. Weekend. Always fun. I'm very happy as well. Quite fun, I might say. Okay, so if you don't... So interacting with the rocket should do nothing. I mean, it shouldn't trigger that save mission. Because it has a mission, sure, and it is for strong. But though it has type, yeah, it doesn't have Triggy and Trigger, which that's part of the logic. Wait, is that or? No, it's and. Null equals trig. Oh, yeah, this is if it doesn't have those. So this is correct. Why the hell did I do this? Yeah, I must have done this just for like the breakable stuff. But that's what this is for. So what the hell is this for? Damn it. Like, I want to remove it, but I don't want to break anything. I'm going to remove it. I don't see the logic behind this. Because the same thing can be done down here, but with the breakable trigger. Oh, this just removes it though, doesn't save the mission. So this is if it has a mission. Okay, well I should make sure that it's breakable then. So let's add that. I mean, breakable or collectible maybe, but if it has a mission and it's collectible, yeah, sure. So we can do this, this, or this. So this or collectible. There. Now this shouldn't happen. I don't remember why I added that. That would have broken that, but yeah. Let's see if it fixes it. Found you. Bop. We talked, I promise. Alright, let's get this party started. We want to fix this bug. So far, everything's still working, draggable wise. Okay, missions are still completing. Shit is going down. Okay, now let's go collect our people, and we will be able to move that rocket. And hopefully it doesn't just disappear when you touch it. That would be an ideal scenario. Yeah, the problem is the two guys that raid me sometimes, they're streaming right now. I think, though, I don't know if Seashell is streaming or not. I didn't get a notification. He might be. But I know Deadslap is. Okay, so far so good. Is he live right now? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I saw him talking in Discord. Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth. Did we fix it or not? You know what? Just for good measure, let me recompile and refresh. Just in case. Yeah, I mean, they'll definitely raid in a bit, I'm sure. But it might be too little too late for me. Canada song stuck in your head right now? But you're not Canadian? Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Yes, I am not Canadian either. Alright, well, I think we fixed it. Alright. We deserve lasers for that. And that was such an annoying bug. We'll do some fireworks. Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh, was I singing the wrong Canada song? This one? Freak out.
We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals in all.
Something you got in school?
Teach you all and then some facts that go along with them. So sing along with me now. Let's have a ball. I am Alberta. My capital is Edmonton. I am a province of Canada. My time zone is in Mountain.
Nice.
It's
saved properly this time.
My bird's a great horned owl and my scenery is fine. Hello, I'm
My scenery is fine. Yep.
My capital is also Quebec with an accent aigu-e. I'm a French-speaking province of this Canadian country.
Alright, let's see if the minigame works. Without me having to refresh. So I'm going to have to fix that if not. Yes! I didn't have to refresh. You've heard this so many times? Why have you heard this so many times? Why are you listening to this song? I mean, it's a banger. I'm just saying, why? TikTok? Is this like a meme song on TikTok?
Manitoba, my capital's Winnipeg. I'm a province of Canada. I'm not pulling your leg. Past flowers, my provincial flower.
Oh, okay. Is it like making fun of it, or is it just like what Canadians use now in the background? Alright. Let's transpose and let's cheat because I have it right here. Oh, I don't have it. Uh-oh, I lost my... I'm gonna have to transpose this.
Canada made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals in all. We're here to teach you all and then some facts that go along with them. So sing along with me now. Let's have a ball. Hi, I'm New Brunswick. My capital is Fredericton. I border the U.S. state of Maine. My largest city is St. John.
Hey, I'm in
My Bay of Fundy
Michigan,
is
right
most
next to Maine.
famous for its extreme tides, and if you're into whale watching, that's where you'd want to reside.
I'm actually very close to Canada.
Nova Scotia, my capital's Halifax. I'm one of Canada's maritime provinces. Now how about that? I'm in the Atlantic
We did
Ocean.
it.
I also have long coastlines. I'm home to the puffin and seals.
Alright.
Yeah, my scenery
I think
is fine.
we fixed
I'm
the
Prince
bugs
Edward Island, my
that I was
capital
seeing.
is Charlottetown.
I think that's it.
I'm a Canadian province and
Oh,
where the
shoot.
province house is
Uh-oh.
found. I am known for
Why
my
can't I walk?
seafood, mostly lobsters
Oh,
and
no.
mussels. The Gulf of St. Lawrence
didn't
is where you can
re-engage
view some sea
walking
vessels.
when I finished that
Hey,
mission.
I'm Newfoundland and Labrador. My capital,
Let's do
St.
that.
John's. I'm the most easterly province in which Canada's real fond.
Well, this is a really long song.
National Park is one of my attractions. those are some of my sites that are fun. I'm the Yukon Territory, my capital is Whitehorse. I'm located
What
in the northwest
fucking
of
teacher
Canada
came up with
for
this?
what it's worth. I'm home to Mount Logan, Canada's
Oh, here we go.
highest
Let's
mountain.
do.
I'm also known for
What's
glaciers
the
and
walking?
also if you like to fish salmon. On the Northwest
If you like to fish
Territory,
salmon.
my capital's
Here we go. I gotta
Yellowknife, one of the
re-engage
3
movement.
territories in the
That's why.
Canadian Archive. One of my coolest attractions is my Virginia Falls Nahanni National Park Reserve is where it sits tall. I'm the Nunavut Territory, capital's Iqaluit.
Most of the video
I am
just,
known for
what the fuck's my teacher
indigenous
playing?
people, the
It's just that
Inuit.
song.
I form most of the Canadian Arctic archipelago and the least populated Canadian territory, you know. We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories with capitals
go.
and all.
Now I'll be able to
We're here
walk
to
again.
teach you all and then some facts
Spoken
that
analysis
go
for
along with them, so sing
All right,
along with me.
we did it.
Now
And look,
let's
I
have
can't
a
drag these
ball.
things because they're
We
done.
are Canada, made
The rocket's
up of 10
gone.
provinces
Okay.
and 3 territories.
We got it. We got it. This is a fire stream with a fire song. Hell yeah, man. That was a fire song. I'm surprised people didn't just come flocking on Twitch. Especially all the Canadians. They should have heard that. Like a, you know, a siren calling the old sailors. Okay. Well, now what? I mean, still no one here, but we can actually move forward now, you know? And we got some YouTube Shorts live feed people. So, hey, how's it going? Well, someone just left. But yeah, Twitch is dead. I wonder how YouTube's doing. I actually haven't been watching. Let's see how the other YouTube's going. Womp. And womp. Nobody. Good. Okay. Yeah, I know, right? He saw me lurking. So, okay. We finished the minigame. Now, oh, I need to make that minigame allow transportation. Okay. We have to actually disable transportation, which is going to be very annoying. So first off, let's go to the transportation function right here. So this actually shouldn't be enabled until I finish that mission. And I mean, this is a pretty specific functionality, unfortunately. So, you know, this won't really translate well to other people's games, but he saw me looking. Yeah, I called the police. Everybody left. They're like, no, 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 no. Can't have him watching me. Yeah, so this actually needs to not be enabled by default. What I need to do is check if that mission exists. No, I need to check if that mission's been completed before I enable this. Because it's not level based, it's finishing that mini game. So I'm wondering, should I make that like an actual functionality of the game where missions can unlock abilities. Because I have levels unlock abilities. But I don't have missions being able to unlock abilities. Yeah, I feel like I should. But it needs to be unlocked the whole time. So like I would need to, when this mission's complete, the ability needs to get saved to like an abilities array, which I thought I already did for magic. So maybe I should add it to the spell logic. Like, how am I doing spells? Add spell. So I have an add spell thing. And the ID is the spell ID. But transportation isn't a spell. It's an ability. What do I do for abilities? Unlock abilities. Here we go. Unlockable. See, but I use unlock abilities for... Yeah. I can make it an ability. I can add unlockable. But it's not an item. Transportation's not an item. It's just an ability. So how should I handle that? It's really an exception to the rule. It's very specific. Like, I kind of feel like it needs to be blocked until that specific moment. But I need a way of flagging when to unlock it. Is there a dumb way to do this? Like, specific amount of points, or... Yeah, how do I flag this? Like, it's something I have to persist. I mean, I guess I just need to make a rest route and just save it. Or I add... Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add a rest route to save the database. Like enable transportation. Man, it really sucks I can't just make it like an ability point amount. Right. Because abilities are based off of points. And I'm not going off of points for this. Alright. Let's see, what do I have for ability? This is for getting map ability, so this is just all the magic. So I don't want to do that. Spells are specific. But I can... Do I have a rest route for that? Those are abilities. Yeah, these are just for abilities. I'm just saying if I have a rest route for it, which I don't. Alright. So let's add a new one. I mean, this is basically just enable transportation, which is kind of dumb. I guess I could just say like enable ability. It might get confusing, but... Hell yeah, 1,300 words. Let's go. Enable ability. And we'll just go based off of a word. And we'll just call it slug. Yeah, we'll just save it. Let's make this a post. We'll use the new fetch method. And we'll copy you. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. enable ability. We'll get the request body. We'll get user ID and slug. Womp. And then we will get the current abilities, explore abilities. We'll check if it exists. If not, we'll make it an array. You just gonna stop at 1300? Sounds good, man. Take it easy. Don't stress it out. You don't want it to feel like work, you know? Should be fun. Hell yeah. I will definitely give that a read. Appreciate you sending that, even though it's horrible to you. I think it'll be good. I like reading about your story. Alright, so what it comes down to... Wait, what is this logic? Oh, because I might be sending an array. Yeah, I know. I'm putting words in your mouth. Okay. Let's go here. And yeah, it pretty much comes down to current abilities. It'll be empty if they don't exist. And we'll say the slug, we just kind of add to it. So we don't need that. We can just use array push. Well, I could just do this, because I'll only send one at a time. No, I want that. And just add, oops, slug. There we go. It's the first time you're writing for fun? Awesome, man. It is fun. Especially as it starts, like, growing. It's really fun. I guess I don't need to care. Oh, I need to check if it exists. That's what I need to do already. So I don't do it multiple times. If false equals in array, then add. I think that's pretty much all I need to do. Yeah. And then we'll just do that or that. Cool. And we'll just add this. And let's explore abilities. Fantastic. I think we got it. Alright, now all I need to do is ping this enable ability endpoint. The same way I do save materialized items. So let's go to save materialized item. Right here. We'll steal this function. And we'll just steal the whole function. And we'll say unlock ability or something. Oh no, enable ability. Enable ability. And then we'll pass ability as the slug. And it'll be slug ability. And user ID. That's pretty much it. And it's enable ability. Perfectos. Okay, cool. That should be perfect. So all we have to do is send transport or transportation to this function, and if that exists, enable it. When you finish this, you kind of want to make a biography about your whole life, not just about programming, and the biography about my whole life would include so much more stuff. Cool, man. I look forward to reading it. And yeah, man, I'll help you out whenever I can, or like however I can, as far as like editing, and if you have any questions about writing. Editors are not cheap. That is also something I have learned. So I doubt you're going to want to spend any money on this. So yeah. You made a garden indoors. Oh, you're growing basil. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, I had a little basil plant just because I was making lasagna and we needed some fresh basil, but not right away. I mean, all you had to do was kind of keep it wet, but it died anyways, even though I kept it wet. So there's other factors, I'm guessing. That's exciting, though. I love a little greenery, you know, indoors. Makes things a lot better. And welcome, Freedom Dow. Thanks for jumping on, man. It's just been me and Indy hanging out again. I know. We've only been streaming for an hour and 16 minutes, and we finally got another person. Nailed it. Yeah, just to keep the average a little higher, I'll probably stick around for the other dudes to raid. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. But if I stand with them for like 20 minutes. Honestly, I know I talk about it a lot, but like I'm not like going crazy about going affiliate and trying to get the average rate. It's just something, like I said, I want to complete it. Like I have these goals and I want to complete them because I think it's interesting. You know, it's not like you're striking gold as soon as you become affiliate. There is not too much money in it until you got millions of people jumping in and out. You're gonna do what you wrote. If you spot any mistakes, you'll fix it, and then once you're done doing that, you'll send it over for a fixed version. All right, man. Yeah, give it a couple passes if you want before passing it on, but yeah, definitely normally you wouldn't be doing that. Oh, I think we lost Freedom now. To complete the affiliate, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard to keep the average viewer high. For me, at least. I mean, I know a lot of people, they average 5 or 6 people, and it's not a big deal. But, I don't know. For some reason, my stream tends to, I mean, I know I'm still kind of new, or I've only been doing this for like 4 or 5 months or something, but, yeah, when you're down in the 50s, it is actually interesting to me that they make the path to affiliate, you only need 50 followers, because that seems like not a lot of followers to like get a good average viewer count. Like it would, I know YouTube's monetization is crazy. Having 500 subscribers is actually kind of hard. Again, this is for me in my experience, but 500 subscribers is a lot. Like I have 151 or something right now, and that took forever, you know. And a million videos later, I mean, I have like 300 shorts on there, and a handful of real videos. You think the best line in your thingy is, and that's how it all started. Just one thought started it all. It's crazy how one little thing can branch out into a whole bunch of things. Yeah, that's a good line. I like that. Very good, very good. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hard code this, I guess, for that specific mission. No, what was I gonna do? We were gonna put make an enable minigame, or enable ability field, and then I'll add the ability that the mission enables. That's fine. This might come in handy later. So let's go to our array, which is right Where is it? Wait, didn't I create a whole... Oh, I created an array here, right? Get metadata. Yeah, so I was going to do explore... Well, this needs to be specific for missions, though. So this might not work. Maybe I should pass the post type that this is going to go on. We'll default it to nothing, so if this does not equal post type, oops. I tried to give you the benefit. Then we'll do return an array with post types. No. So I need to build an array with post types and pass it. That's right. Post type specific. And then we'll do post type. Oh my fuck. I can't hit the goddamn tab button. Your second favorite, as probably you thought, is I knew a lot until I realized I hardly knew anything. That's good. Another banger of a line. Alright. Post specific. Post type specific equals. So in this case I have mission. Explore mission. And in here I'll put, what am I doing? This one's going to be ability. Explore ability. See, I either do it this way where I put the slug of the ability, or I create a taxonomy for it. No. I'll only ever want one ability to have. Yeah, we'll do it this way. Alright. Grand. So, in this case, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? Because this, I need both. So, metadata mission equals this. Get metadata. And then we'll pass explore mission. I'll have to merge them together. Equals array merge. Okay. So at least they'll all save, so that's fine. But now I need to go to the other part. This. Alright. Wait, get post type. Oh, okay. Well, I can actually pass post type to this. Interesting. No, I'll probably just have to do the same thing. Yeah. Wait. This is for compiling. Yes, I am. Hey, yes, I am. How you doing? Welcome. Enjoy the party. The WordPress party. We are adding a new custom field so that I can assign an ability to a mission. So when you finish the mission, it gives you an ability. And I'm just trying to make it a little bit dry so I can do this more in the future. Oh, this is part of the save again. Yeah, I don't need this. Wait, I want it Yeah, I need this one. So this. Oh, I already did that. Okay, so I do need to save one. Wait, but this needs to be specific for mission. So I don't want to do this. Right. No, I do want to do this. Yeah. So this needs to be... Okay. Oh, I need to only specify it inside the actual metabox template. That's what it is. Okay, so this is going to be for both. Alright, you just read the thing. Looks good. Alright, man. Shoot it over. I want to see it. Okay. Inputs. Here we go. So yeah, I need to make metadata for missions as well. Oh, look. Missions. That's weird. Oh, I guess it's only saving for missions. Okay, well I can use this actually. So let's do mission metadata equals get metadata explore mission. Okay. And then now see I need to combine it. Well, no, I guess I could do it here. Where am I doing the for each? Oh, right here. Got it. So I kind of need to do it for this as well. This is mission metadata. Okay, so this should work. Grand. Alright. You shot it over in DMs? Okay, perfect. It's lonely on Twitch. Hanging out with Indy. You get to flex it and put it in your about me on everything. I'm a Twitch affiliate. Yeah, I know, right? No, I just want to do all the affiliate stuff. Like the points and like make cool things with the points. Like, and you know, all the fun games you can do. And it unlocks so much interaction you can do with the people that watch the stream. That's the main reason I want it. But, and, you know, people are always asking about, you know, bits and subscribing and all that kind of stuff, and it's just like, nope. You're a Twitch affiliate? You're allowed to rob this house. Exactly. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm a Twitch affiliate. I'm allowed to be here. In fact, you leave. Alright, explore enemy box. So this should work now. So now I need to go into the actual template. Wait, do I use metabox here? Metadata in here? No, I don't think so. Okay, so let's go to mission. Explore mission. Do I have a specific one? Explore mission. Yes, I do right here. Okay, so I have the specific hazard removal. So what I need is ability, explorability, which is going to be text. So we'll take this. All right. Yeah. Ability, unlock ability or whatever. Unlock ability. That's going to be explore ability? Or is it enable ability? Shoot, I forgot what I did. Where is it? Save. Oh, enable ability. It's called explore abilities. Ah. Get it right. Oh, this is saving to the post meta. So that way this has nothing to do with it then. Okay, okay, okay. I think I've been calling it enable adjustability. Okay. Yep, so this is right. You saw a book in your school library, which looked exactly like mine. Ah, bummer. So close. Could have been super cool. Let's just do ability. Or I guess I have to do explore ability, right? Or is it? Oh no, I think it's something specific. Like it's part of, like what is it? Minigame? Yeah, yeah, values. Okay, yeah, yeah. I gotta add it like this. Ability, yeah, let's change that. Explore ability. There we go. That should work. Your school has a huge library and a crazy auditorium. Hell yeah, man. That's sick. Okay, so now let's check if this can save. Let's go to the mission and put transportation. So we'll go to finish your blade device, and this should unlock. Holy crap, I screwed something up. Undefined array, explore ability. I have to check if that exists first, obviously. So let's do, oh wait, where is values coming from? It's coming from values. What the hell? This. Wait, what? How is that possible? Yeah, values should be here. Interesting. Oh, I was in the wrong spot. Values. Here we go. Aha! Array merge is not working? Should be. Explore mission. Explore mission. Yeah, explorability. Oh, wait, did I put underscore? Is that why? I did. That was wrong. Yeah, I forgot. This isn't the user meta. That's enable abilities. The mayor of your city is going to do a speech at your school. Ooh, hell yeah. Is it for your school, or is it he just chose your auditorium for it? You've seen Joe Biden when you visited your city and you met the mayor? Wow. You're a big deal, my friend. Transportation. Let's see if this works. It did. All right, we're in business. So now, if the mission has, I need to add that to the explore mission. So mission HTML, missions, get map item. Where is missions? Pretty sure missions have a separate function. No, I need get mission HTML or some shit. We have cutscenes, mini games. Where's the fuck's the mission? Missions HTML, mission HTML. Get mission. Where are missions getting added? I think they're separate, actually, now I think about it. Let's just go to the actual page template. You live over in Syracuse, if you didn't already tell me. Syracuse. Alaska? Or am I... Washington? I'm really good at geography. That sounds familiar. Syracuse is a real place. I know that. Syracuse. Don't tell me. Syracuse. Don't tell me. No, I'll get it. Hold on. I'm going to say New York. That's what I'm going to say. Syracuse. Fuck, that didn't sound like New York to me. Yeah, man, I'm way off. I need missions. Where are my missions? They are up here. Points. Oh, that's right. I have a whole thing. All right, cool. So we need a new data point, and we'll call it ability. Data ability equals Joe. If it's not empty, Joe. Actually, if it's not empty, then you should add it. Doop. If false, then we'll add you. There's a pretty big candy company that operates like 20 minutes away from me. Ooh, delicious. Yeah, the delay got you. Their TikTok has like 150,000 followers. Holy crap. Wait, what candy company? Oh, what's up, candy? Are they sponsoring? Hercules. What kind of candy? Just like any kind of candy? Or is it like Willy Wonka status? Go. Go. Alright. That should do it. Oh, I don't need to decode this one. It's just gonna be ability. And then we'll grab that ability from the mission, which is explorability. Fantastic. And there we go. Now it should show up on the front end. Let's make sure it does that. Oh, I need to restart because I already finished the game. Go. You don't know. Looks good. You're gonna go there soon? Oh, sweet. Damn. The YouTube's packing. Let's see. What is Hercules candy? It's a candy store. 100 years. Oh, it's like a candy shop. I thought it was like a manufacturer. Mmm. Ooh. This looks like very average candy. What the hell? Oh no. That is merch. Welp. Oh, hell yeah. Sold out. Can't you just print those on demand? The fuck? I like these chocolate colored mugs. I want to eat it. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. This is just a hunch. Nope. Okay. Must be Shopify. Let's see. Yep, I was right. Shopify. If it's not WordPress, it's Shopify. That's pretty much the two guesses you can make. That or I guess Squarespace sometimes, but yeah, it's one or the other if it's a small business. Shopify. I don't think there's a way to get into the admin in Shopify from the front end. Decent little site. I mean, their search is broken on their 404 page. Oh, it's broken in general. They must have made some updates to their nav bar and they forgot that they made too long. Ooh, what? Chocolate shortage. Oh no! Chocolate shortage. Alright. Let's go through this junk. Use transportation while I have it. Wow, wow. You love watching their TikToks? What do they like make chocolate on their TikToks or something? I guess I'll have to check that out too. Because their website is subpar at best. Not their fault. You know, honestly, you don't need a website when you have social media. They're killing it, obviously, in the social media game, so no real need to have like a major, crazy website. They make all sorts of candies. Nice. I love watching candy, especially like the Japanese, like small candies where they make little shapes and stuff. There he is. Was waiting for that to happen. It's been a lonely night. Everyone's streaming at the same time. What up, Seashell? How you doing? Welcome to the party. Yeah, it's like everybody. I was on Twitch earlier, just kind of like perusing. I was like, holy crap. Like there are so many people streaming today. I'm like, it's going to be empty on my stream. Because I'm like the last person they're going to go to. But yeah, man, thanks for joining. I knew if I waited long enough, I'd get to see your username. And the crew you brought, the mighty crew. How's it going, everybody? Or, I think one person stuck around. Come watch GIF animated fire. It's very dangerous. Look, you see my health bar right here? The green bar going down? I'm burning to death. Do you understand the urgency in burning to death? Come on. I'm primary? Nah, I like your group. Alright. So I have to switch to her because she's fireproof. Awesome. Yeah, man. And now we'll switch to the fast girl, and we'll try to see if we can finish this in 30 seconds. Ready, go! I usually do not get this first try. And yeah, I know the images are broken. I don't have left, right, top images of this avatar yet. Oh, I don't think I'm going to make it in time. There's a long trek around the rocket. Go! Come on! Come on! We got this! We got this! Go! Nah, I didn't make it. And that's why I have to cheat. As long as I have transportation, I can cheat. Okay, let's go. Restart. What is going on? Ooh, I got a console. No, those are all the images. I gotta wait for the timer to run out. This is a time-based one. Yeah, I gotta wait for the start timer to go away. Do 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 do. Come on. Oh, did it go away? I wasn't paying attention. Alright. Now we start the timer. Transport over here. Alright, we did it. We disarmed the rocket so it won't explode. But now he's not strong enough, so I gotta use the strong guy. And let's pull it into place. Currently this is just an outline, but it will be a rocket disposal unit. Speedrunner. And alright. Alright. So we finished that. And now I get to do my mini game, which I finally finished. What was the whole point of me redoing this? I was gonna, damn it. Oh no, okay, good. Here. So this worked. I'm looking for HTML. Oh, okay. Yep, there it is. Data ability. Okay, so now I can use that data point. I think he's gonna raid. Yeah, Deadslap should. I just, usually he's off by now, but I think because it's Friday, he'll probably be streaming longer. But yeah, I mean, he tends to. I jumped on his stream earlier, so he knows I'm alive and streaming. But, you know, you can't raid the same person every night. Your people might get annoyed. Okay. So now we have data ability. So now let's lock down transportation. I don't want to. I love transportation. Alright. Transportation. Here it is. The function. You'll bribe him with bits. Yeah, just go around Twitch and start bribing people. Hey, you want to raid somebody? Give you 100 bits. I have I think I have some bits left over. I just kind of threw them out. I didn't even know really how they worked when I first started, so I just kind of bought some. Okay, yeah. So this is on load. So I actually want to get rid of this function. No, I don't. I want to keep this function. But what I need to do is add a data point somewhere. I need to know that this is enabled. So that has to happen somewhere. I need to get the abilities that are available. Alright, well, looks like I'm gonna have to add another variable. Let's do it. That would be here. Inline. Right here. So we have explore points. And now we will have abilities. And we'll call it explore abilities. Fantastic. I didn't spell that right. Abilities. 1S. And then let's go to explore points. Oh, see, it has a default. Yeah, I don't need that though. And we'll do the same thing. You love the way I say fantastic. I don't know why I say it like that. Alright, I gotta jump into some weird ass accent. I can never just speak normally. Ability. Explore. Oh, abilities. There we go. Abilities. Abilities nuts. Ooh. Kill him. Okay. False equals. I don't know why I was using is set there. Empty. And then we'll do abilities. Abilities nuts. Alright. Abilities nuts. Fantastic. See, I said normally that time. Fantastic. Alright, abilities nuts. And then we're good. Oh, okay. We're JSON encoding it. That's why. Alright, perfect. Happy 1 a.m. Oh, yeah, we hit 1 a.m. Woo! Let's go. Lost all our viewers already. All we need now is Deadslap to raid, and then we can Finish the stream. Hey, front end stuff. What's going on? Over on YouTube, Shorts, live feed. How's it going, my friend? Come on, Slappy. Okay, cool. So now we'll have that available. So let me go ahead and do this. And let's check explore abilities nuts. Wait, what did I call it? Oh, I just called it abilities. I should probably call it explore abilities. Just in case there's another plugin using the same name. Slappy Joes. Yep. Lost front end stuff. Alright. Explore abilities. Oh, I gotta refresh. Let's try again. Explore abilities nuts. Abilities nuts. Alright, perfect. Empty. So now all we have to do is output the ability once I get it. MailChimp is always ready. Never forget that. Okay. So now what I can do is if transportation it's explore abilities dot contains transportation. Pretty sure that's how this works. I always forget if it's includes or contains, so we'll find out. Alright. Let's load, and if it doesn't have a console error, then we should be good. Yeah, MailChimp is tired. I agree. Oh, contains is not a function, so I got it wrong. It's includes. When am I ever going to learn that? They should just make them the same damn thing, honestly. Save me some trouble. There we go. All right. Wait a second. Why is that here? I shouldn't. Oh, I wonder if I can. Crap. Hold on. Can I transport? Oh no, I can't transport. Oh no. Oh no. I lost transportation. Alright, so now what we need to do is, we know it'll work on load once I finish the mission. But I need to make it enabled once the mission's finished. So I need to go... How am I going to do that? There's really... I'm going to have to hard code it for transportation. Eventually I can probably make a util function for it, but... Save mission. What we'll do is... After this is removed, we can do... enable transportation if mission complete. All right. So the mission dot dataset dot ability. It's right here. If actually we should just do mission ability if transportation equals mission ability. If you want people to visit your stream, you just have to get canceled, and then you'll have all the people swarming. That's true. I gotta say some horrendous shit. Maybe next time. Then engage transportation function. There we go. So yeah, that should make me able to transport. So let's put mission ability right here. Mission ability equals dot. And then we'll do this. If that. Gotta check if it exists first. Alright, there we go. You have that clip of you saying your dad beat. Oh, that's true. I'm surprised more people aren't coming to watch me, knowing that I got beat by my dad and I beat my wife. At chess. There's a new clip. What's right now? I don't know. Yeah, right. This should work. So technically right now, I think what could happen is when I finish this mini game, I should be able to transport again. So if that works, then we did it. So let's first verify if I refresh that I can't transport. I cannot. Okay. So now let's finish the mini game and let's see if I can transport. And then let's see if I can continue to transport after that point. Doom ba doom boom. Boom ba doom boom. I got JoJo's goddamn old theme song in my head. Wow. Okay. Perfectly created computer chip. And now we'll do this, which is 10101. I keep forgetting to save it. I deserve to do this again. All right, now that the mission's complete, I should be able to transport if this worked. Yay! Let's do it. Fireworks. Let's go lasers. All right. We did it, boys. We did it. We finally enabled transportation. I've been able to transport for a very long time, and now I finally get to use it again. Okay, very cool. All right. Well, that's a big deal, because in the book, that's a major deal. He gets to, you know, that's his life's work. You know, he's been researching it for 11 years, and he finally figured it out, and he did it. He programmed, fixed it, blah. So, let's refresh and make sure I can still transport. Ooh, okay. That didn't work. Explore abilities. It's empty. Alright, something happened. Let's double check. Why are you empty, yo? Explore abilities. False equals empty. Then do that. Explore abilities. Okay, that means that the actual call to add explore abilities did not work. Let's double check what the database has, because I definitely need this to be persistent. Database, go! Let's go to user meta. Alright. Alright, so yeah, it didn't save. So something happened. Unfortunately. Did you know what when you eat, the food goes to your stomach? Yes. I actually think I knew that one. Wait, what? Uh-oh. I already have an abilities. Is that conflicting? No. That's fine. What is this for? Oh, it must be for one of these. Okay. How'd I know? I know. Magic. I'm a magic man. Map abilities. Explore abilities. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I don't care about that. I need to check my register. Rest point. Let's check out my enable abilities function. What did I do wrong? Slug. Okay, user ID, explore abilities. I didn't spell that wrong. Looks good. Is user ID the right shit? Did I do that right? Enable ability. Oh, I'm still not calling this. Shoot. All I did was enable transportation. I didn't actually call enable ability. Well, that'll do it. Transportation. There we go. Enable transportation in DB. And we'll call it transportation. All right, let's do this one more time. And then it should be persisted now. Because I'm dumb. Oh wait, no, we don't want to do it here. We want to do it during save mission. Here. Correct. That's what I meant. Alright, one more time. Let's refresh the game. Pew. 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 Alright, let's do it. Oh no, I can't. I was trying to jump over him. I forgot I can't transport. At least I can avoid him. I shouldn't let you avoid him, but... Find the onboarder. Let's go. Thank you. Nice talking to you. I'm so used to just transporting wherever I want. I'm wondering, should I hide the power gauge for transportation until you get the ability? I mean, I could. But I've also seen that before where, like, you have a mana gauge in an RPG before you even have spells to use it, and you're like, what the hell is this for? But, I mean, if I have the ability to make it less confusing for people, maybe I should. I don't know, maybe we'll do it later. Still can't transport, I keep trying. We must unlock transportation. I have to walk like a commoner. I don't even have Iona to get around fast. Oh yeah, that means I'm gonna have to use her to finish the mission, like, for real now. Shit. I really should make that like 40 seconds just to give myself a little more time. I'm gonna do that. I'm a cheater. We're going easy mode. Disarm rocket. Timer. Oh no, it has to be on the items itself. Explore point. Disarm rocket. Let's give us 40 seconds. Thank you. I deserve that. Let's go back. Let's do number 2. Also 40 seconds. Alright, I feel much better now. Okay. Let's refresh so the time is correct. Why the hell did you start me down here? That is not where I wanted to be. That's kind of weird. Oh, you know what it is? It's because I'm not... the coordinates aren't being set when it just sends me there. So it's sending me to where I last moved, apparently. Oh my god, what the hell? I'm gonna have to walk all the way around now. Oh, so annoying. Because the button to turn the fire off is on the other side. Ugh. See what I do? This is the real game. Tedious. I already hate it. I need dev mode where you can fly around like in Godot. Honestly, I should just have like a checkbox I can just turn off collision points and then turn them back on. That way I can just walk through whatever. And then I should have like a speed up mode too, where I can just walk as fast as I want. But we'll play for real for now. Like I said, when we get to Orbem, I'll do all that. Alright. Now let's disarm the old-fashioned way with quickness. Let's see if I can actually do this. I want to see if this is a bug or not, because I haven't been able to do it. Let's see if this actually... Wait, what? Why is the timer started already? I haven't even clicked it. Oh. Is that the problem? Is that I'm triggering the start timer by accident? So then by the time I walk, it's a lot less time. Interesting. Is the timer going to go away? Huh. Okay, it went away. Good. Alright, start. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, I made it 40 seconds too, so I should be okay. But yeah, I don't know why that start timer was there already. I must have hit it by accident. I also wonder if I should make her the only one that can do timers. You know what I mean? That way I don't accidentally hit it. I don't know. These are all things I can work on later. Okay. Let's go. All we want to do is see if I can start transporting correctly or not. Alright. Bop, bop. See, I still can't transport. Clicking does nothing. Let's finish this. Let's program my blade device so I can actually freaking transport again. Speedrun, go. Oh god, oh god. I feel like a preschooler trying to do the shapes through the shape holes. Come on, come on. You got this. Go. Oh fuck, I really keep forgetting to save this. Speedrun. All right. You're raiding 27 people at once. Oh, lurking. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can transport now. Yay, we can transport. Okay. Moment of truth. Can I refresh and still transport? Damn it. Are you kidding me? Why didn't that work? Shit, I should have checked the call. God damn it. Oh, something changed. No, just the coordinates. What the hell? Why didn't that work? Enable ability should have gotten run. Shoot, I really should have checked why that didn't work. Post, body, yes. What's the highest number you have counted to? I don't know. Honestly, I've never like just tried to count. Shoot. Why is this not working? Enable ability. Am I using the wrong name? Let me try to check. Register. Rest route. Okay. It seems like I'm using the right one actually. Yep, I'm using the right one. It's a post call. Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot. You got to take this crap off. There we go. That's right. That's right. I fucked up. Okay. One more time. Honestly, I don't want to do this again. You were bored in the first grade and you counted to 500. Nice. Indy, I think we need to call it. It's getting kind of late. I don't feel like playing the entire game again just to test if the persistent transportation worked. We can test that next. on Monday. But hey, thanks for sticking it out with me, man. I know you're lurking a bunch of other people, but as long as you're also lurking me, well, not lurking, you're talking, so it's not really lurking, but as long as you're still hanging with me, I appreciate it. So, yeah, let's call it a night, pick it up, and we'll get like 50 people on Monday. Hope you have a good night too as well, and I will see you in the next stream. Goodbye. Have a good one. I'll give you balloons on the way out. Peace.